Are you tired of juggling customer relationships with outdated tools? Let's explore a revolutionary solution together. Google Sheets has emerged as a flexible workplace staple, inspiring users to build custom tools, including CRMs. If you're on the hunt for a Google Sheets CRM template, you're in the right place. You'll discover how these templates work, who benefits, and where to find free ones today. Google Sheets CRM templates are fully editable, perfect for customizing your data fields and formulas as needed. What sets them apart from Excel is their robust support for real-time collaboration among team members. Imagine tracking your business processes by quarter with a simple yet effective sales pipeline CRM template. This template allows you to meticulously organize your lead strategies and plan your next steps effortlessly. You'll find detailed lead information organized with fields for company name, contact details, and even assigned reps. It provides a finance overview by showcasing deal size, probability, and weighted forecasts for insightful analytics. Searching for something more straightforward? A one-tab CRM template streamlines contact management beautifully. This simple structure organizes customer information and interactions into two intuitive sections: lead and communication log. Looking for visuals? A more dynamic, free CRM spreadsheet template includes charts and summaries to aid analysis. You'll enjoy the intuitive layout, making it easy to track open opportunities and closed deals with clarity. Not all templates need complexity. A basic client information Google Sheet template manages extensive data effectively. If these templates don't meet your needs, you can create your own customized CRM system in Google Sheets. To excel, define clear column headers and utilize data validation for consistent input across all fields. As your needs grow, transitioning to dedicated CRM software like Capsule can significantly enhance your efficiency. Capsule CRM optimizes customer relationship management, proving to be a smarter alternative to simple Google Sheets solutions.